Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the warmest tomato soup. For this recipe I'm taking 8 tomatoes, 2 stems of rosemary and a bulb of garlic. I'm gonna cut the tomatoes in all fours and then add them into a baking dish with rosemary and the garlic bulb, and then I will add olive oil about 4 to 6 tablespoons. You can add less or more, it's up to you. Then I will add some salt and some black peppers. Now add everything in the oven on high broil for 15 minutes. After 8 minutes we are going to turn the tomatoes for even cooking. Now I will heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm gonna melt the butter away. Once the butter is all melted, we are going to add 1 large thinly sliced white onion. We will cook these onions for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now back to tomatoes. After 15 minutes they will be all soft and ready for us to mash them away. I'm gonna take out the stems of the rosemary and then mash all the tomatoes away. After 8 minutes we are going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We are going to add half teaspoon of salt, mix it together, and then 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar helps minimizing the acidity of the tomatoes, so it's very important to add sugar in your soup. Now after mixing everything together, we are going to be adding all the mashed tomatoes inside the pot. Mix everything together and then I will add 1 cup of chicken stock and 1 chicken cube. We are going to mix everything together and cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes we are going to remove it from the heat and blend everything together with the help of a hand blender. Once it's all blended, we are going to put it back on the heat and add some basil leaves. Let it simmer for 30 more minutes or until you are happy with the thickness of the soup. Now dish it out in your favorite bowl. You can add heavy cream on top with the basil leaf to make it look more appealing. Enjoy it with your favorite grilled cheese sandwiches. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.